In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if a message has been seen on Slack. While Slack doesn't give you a clear seen or read receipt the way some other chat apps do, there are still a few reliable clues that can help you figure out whether people have likely read your message. In this walkthrough, I'll break down the main signs to look for and how to interpret them in a practical, everyday way. First, let's talk about reactions. Reactions are those little emoji that people can add directly to a message. If someone reacts to your message with a thumbs up, a check mark, a smile, or any other emoji, that's a strong sign they've definitely seen it. In many teams, reactions are used as a lightweight way to acknowledge messages without sending a full reply. For example, a manager might react with a check mark to show they've seen your update, or a teammate might add a thumbs up to confirm they agree. If you're trying to confirm that people have read a short announcement or reminder, you can even ask them to react with a specific emoji as an easy way to track who has seen it. Next, look for thread replies. When someone clicks reply in thread under your message and writes a response, you can be confident they've read not just the message, but usually the context around it as well. Thread replies are especially common for more detailed or focused conversations like project updates, questions, or feedback. If you post instructions, a document link, or a meeting agenda, and you see replies in a thread under that message, you can assume the people replying have definitely seen it. If you get no replies at all, it doesn't always mean no one read it, but replies are one of the clearest signals of engagement. Finally, pay attention to the typing indicator. In Slack, when someone is actively responding in the same channel or thread as your message, you will often see a small indicator showing that a person is typing. If you send a message and then immediately see that indicator appear, it usually means someone has read your message and is in the process of replying. It's not a permanent record, and it doesn't tell you exactly what they saw, but it's a real-time hint that your message has their attention at that moment. By combining these three signals, reactions, thread replies, and the typing indicator, you can get a pretty good sense of whether your Slack messages are being seen, even with